friends, today I am going to teach you how to make Google form. This Google form will help you to test your students online by giving them question papers during this COVID time. Otherwise also we can use this form to give online tests to our students. To make this Google form, we have to open our Google account. Then this window comes in. Open up on Drive. Now once you click on Drive, you will get this window on your screen. Click on this plus sign on your right top corner. Can you see? The moment I click, I get this folder over here. I am unable to see Google form, so I will go to more. Here I will click and I can see Google Forms. I will click on it. When I clicked on my Google form, now this window opens up on my laptop. Can you see this untitled form? I will backspace it. I will write the kind of paper I am making. Like I am making maths paper. So I will write maths paper for which class? Class 4. Right? Now let's come to description. Now on what topic am I taking? I am taking it on large numbers. So I will type this. And then you can write down your name as a teacher who is giving the paper. Once you have done that, click on to the next slide. Now here it comes untitled question, backspace it. Now here I want the name of the student, so I will type name. Now name is, every child has got different name. I will go to this window. Here I will select short answer, and this is a required one. It is necessary for a child to write his or her name. Once I have done this, I will go to plus sign. Another slide opens. Here I will type section. Now section of different children can be different. So here I will select drop down. There are so many sections in class 4. So once I have selected drop down, here I will start giving my options. Section A. Next option is section B, and so on. Again I will add section C, and now this is also important that they have to fill, so I will click on required. Once I have done this, again I will click on plus sign, and here now my question paper starts. So I will write question 1. My first question is write the greatest 5-digit number. Now this question of mine is not short answer type, so I will use this window and I will select multiple choice because I want to give option to my students. So my first option is supposing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add option 2. Here I have given 8, 9, 9, 9. Now again I will bring down this. I will add third option. Let's say my third option is 9, 9, 9, and my fourth option is 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. Right? Now once I have done this, I will go to my, now here I will not do required because then child will have an option of skipping the question, which I will not do it. He can skip the question if he doesn't know. He can come to the next question. So we will not put required. It will not make it compulsory for a child to do all the questions. Now let's go to add option. Now my next question comes. Now I will type question 2, which says write the number name of the numeral 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. So it says 67,895. Now this I am not going to give option for it. So I am selecting short answer. Let the child write short answer, and we will click on the next question. And similarly we can make 10 questions or 15 questions as per our choice. Once we have done this, I will go to this icon which says setting. I've clicked on setting. Now can you see there are three things written over here: general, presentation and quizzes. I will click on quizzes. The moment I click on quizzes, I will get this window. I will open up this, make this a quiz. Immediately all these things will open up, and now I will save it. Once I have done this, now I will go to my first question. Write the greatest 5-digit number. The moment I click on it, can you see the answer key? I will click on answer key. Now the correct answer I have to feed. I have fed this, and now how many marks should I give it to this question? 1 mark. Once I have done this, I will click on done, and this is being done. Similarly for this short answer, I will click on to this question. Here answer key. Now the answer key will be, I have to write the answer. The answer is 67,895. Now once I have written this, I will put the point, 1 mark, and then done. Once I have done all the answer keys, given marks to it, can you see over here 2 questions, 2 total points? Once I have done this, I will send. Now you can send this via email or via link. Now link is an easy one so that everyone can see. So can you see, the moment I clicked on link, my link has come. Now it is a big link, so what I will do, I will shorten my URL. Can you see the link now? It has shortened up. Once I have done that, I will copy it. Now this has been copied on my clipboard, or you can copy it on your desktop anywhere. Once it has been done, then close it. And then you can use that URL and you can send it to your students. Thank you. Now once you have sent your question paper to your students, you can click on to responses. The moment children do the paper, you will get the responses. Can you see there are 151 responses, and the best part of this Google form is you will come to know how many questions they have not appeared, like what questions, how many students from each section has appeared. Now which question they have not done correctly. Now can you see this, my first question, out of 148, 145 I have got the right answer. See the second question, out of 148, 147 have got the right answer. Similar way you will keep finding that the third question which I made was then out of 148, 140 has given the right answer. So we will come to know the weak point of the students as well as the strength of the students. Thank you.